In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Big Cartel. Starting an online store can be thrilling. Big Cartel is a fantastic platform that caters especially to artists and small businesses, offering a straightforward way to sell products online. Whether you're aiming to sell your handmade pottery, art prints, or vintage clothing collection, adding your products to your Big Cartel shop is the first step to turning your passion into profit. Begin by navigating to Big Cartel's homepage. Here you will find a welcoming environment designed with creators in mind. If you haven't already signed up, take a moment to create your account. This step is quite intuitive, but do make sure your shop name reflects your brand. This is important for creating a lasting impression with potential customers. Once you've set up your account, click on the login button, typically located at the top right hand corner of the home page. It's a small step but crucial for accessing the back end of your store, where all the magic happens. Logging in requires your shop URL. If you're new to Big Cartel, this might be the first time you're interacting with your unique shop URL. Remember, it's essentially the web address where customers can find your store, so it's akin to the digital front door to your business. Following that, you'll enter your password. Be sure to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. This cannot be overstated, especially in today's digital age. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control room of your Big Cartel shop. From here you can manage orders, view your store's analytics, and of course add new products. To start adding products, look for the products option in your dashboard. This is your gateway to populating your store with what you're passionate about selling. Click on Add a Product. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to enter details about your product. Start with the product name. Be clear and descriptive, as this is one of the first things customers will see. A good product name gives an instant idea of what you're selling. Next, dive into the product description. This is your opportunity to really sell your product. Describe it in detail, highlighting what makes it unique. Why would someone want or need this item? What sets it apart from similar products on the market? Feel free to tell a story here. Remember, people love buying products with a history or a unique characteristic. Choosing a status for your product comes next. This could range from active, if the product is ready to go live, sold out for items that are temporarily unavailable, or even coming soon to generate anticipation. It's a small touch, but it's essential for effectively managing your inventory. When it comes to setting a price, it's important to strike a balance. You want to ensure that you're making a profit and covering your costs, but also offering value to your customers. Don't undersell yourself, but remain competitive. Adding images is arguably one of the most critical steps. High quality images that showcase your product in the best light are crucial. Customers can't physically touch or see your products online, so your images need to do the selling. Ensure you capture different angles and highlight important details. After you've meticulously filled in all the details and added compelling images, it's time to save your work. Click on Save, and voila, your product is now listed on your Big Cartel shop. It's essential to revisit these steps for each new product you wish to add. Over time, you'll likely find ways to optimize your listings based on customer feedback and sales data. Remember, your Big Cartel shop is a dynamic platform, and regularly updating your inventory and product listings can keep your store fresh and engaging for your customers. That wraps up our guide on how to add products to your Big Cartel store. We've walked through logging into your account, navigating to the dashboard, adding new products, and the importance of high quality product listings. Each step is integral in ensuring your online store is set up for success. Keeping your store updated, or engaging with your customers, and continuously improving your listings will help drive traffic to your store and ultimately increase sales. Good luck with your Big Cartel shop, and here's to your success in the online marketplace.